back to second half. Just found out that Mystery has food storage. That's why I'm recording on my phone. Y'all failed me. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, the whole thing. Not earlier because the full storage. Yeah, good. I'm pretty tired.
Come on, Eagle! I'm playing diversion.
Let's go! Wait, what was like? Okay, I was recording.
Selena!
Man, y'all like. All I wanna do is see you turn into a giant. It's someone good to see. And I know it'll be great, and I just can't wait to be. Oh shit! Oh. Okay, Emma got the ball. Break the ankles. Oh shit! I caught that. Kingston, do your thing. Come on. I'm counting on you. You're blushing on camera.
Hey, what play? Huh?
What the hell? I never got any of these cool names. Run off? No run off. Fake. Ah! Leo! It's alright, I got that on camera. It's alright. It's okay, it's okay. Yo, come on, Kingston, you guys are winning. Wait, this guy played last year. Hey, you lucky I ain't playing this year, you know?
What team did you play for? Run! Let's go, James! Keep on, go! There you go! Rambo and Jonathan switch.
I played all the games. You played soccer?
Yeah, I played soccer last year.
Hey, you ain't better than me. You ain't better than me. No, you're not. No, you ain't. Are you an 8th grader? You an 8th grader? Ah, shout high schooler. Yeah. Ah, yeah, you right. Can't be talking to the enemies, bro. You got a ball? Run off by Elvin. Elvin going. Touchdown? Nah. There is a timeout. I'll see you guys after this.